Hi everyone, nice to see you again. And today I want to share with you how I painted the roses and envelope. And I think this subject is very suitable for if you want to making some card for your mother, like a family or friends. And today we will using pen and watercolor. So more focus how to draw in the rose. So that we start. And first I will show you this reference photo, and you can see so many different rows in there, and some shapes looks small and bigger. So I want to share with you how to draw in the rows. So first you can see the rose is so many petals. So the first thing is we have to organize them. I will show you how to draw in this one with the white line. So we will start with the left one. Can you see the big one? Yeah, so we will start with this one, and I prefer start drawing with the middle area because this way let me feel more convenience. And I start with a small circle, after add one more half circle. So that is over and over again, but the line much longer than before. So that's like a half circle, bigger and bigger. And normally they start with the center of the half circle. And I think the key is always think about the where you can start and where it's better to end. Another thing is the middle area. You can see the how to growing from the inside. So that is like a shape, like a square inside. And in here, because I use the thicker white line to drawing, I want to show you more clear. So in this step, you can see the petal much bigger than before. So I think from inside to the outside, the petal shape will be different. Like some is narrow, some is wide, and some they have angle, and look is outline is rough, and some is look very smooth in the outline. So you can see this petal like a 3 triangle, and this petal is like they have some rough edge. So that is already finished one. You can see the petal distance is bigger and bigger, also shape. So if you understand this one, it will be easy to get the rose shape. And the different rose, the shape will be different. Yeah, because it depends on the how long they growing, and it's new one or old one. Another thing is like angle, maybe they face to you, and some is just one side. And another thing is how to color this one, and today we will use the simple color. So but we still need to separate the light to dark area. Like in this petal, you can see really dark place, shade of the red, it's in the center area. Yeah, so that is we should focus shade color in center area. Because today we will use the like watercolor sketching, so we already used the pen to separate the petal, so we don't need to worry about the shape. It's perfect, yeah, because we already used the pen to explain them. And I already show you how to drawing them. And another thing is about the composition. We today drawing so many different kind of rows together, so that we need to think about which one is the front one and which one is the second one, and how they look like together and look natural. Yeah, so that is one thing. Okay, so that we start. So the first, when we start to do the rose and envelope, I will show you the color practice. So I think that is good to help you understand what kind of paint I use. And first, this color, you can see the gradient for the pink color. So that is for my flower color, my rose color, and I give the full level, very pure color in the left side and into the dark color. So that is all depends on the water. So the right side is dark one, that is will be add black, and this will be in the center of the rose. Okay, so that's very fast to finish my green color. So this is my leaves color. So you can see I still gave them 4 levels. Yeah, so in the watercolor, the build level is very important. So that's help your everything look like more 3D and good to build a structure. And in here, so I share with you how I drawing the rose. So what kind of line I use. So you can see so many wave line, curve line, and some double line. So very fast to start with the envelope. Because envelope is needed to hold this rose. So that's why I start to drawing with the envelope. Today I drawing this rose a little bit different with before I show you, but it's similar. And I just select what's my favorite one and into the one painting. Yeah, so that's how to organize them and which one is the front one and which one is the second one. When we start to painting, we need to think about this one. Like this rose is my main one, so you can see the whole shape and the petal is clear. And when I finish the first one, I'm going to do another one. So I really like the petal, they look like a folder. So that is a very good shape, and I like to drawing them. In this step, just remember, before I said, you need to start with the middle and one by one to make the petal. And I'm going to do the third one, so you can see this third one, it's behind another one. So that is should be some place we can't see it. Okay, so that is my number 4. This composition is good things is start with the front one if you can see the whole shape. Like this is look further one, I just keep it simple and my lines it's a little bit slightly, and the front one I give the line is much clear and like precise. And the last step I will do the leaves, because leaves normally come from the stem, so I need to find the right place. Last step, I also give envelope some dot. And I start to color my rose. So before already show you what color I use. This is a pink color. I add a little bit white actually. So in here you can see even I cover in the all of the rose, but when I use a light color, I still leave some white gap for the between the two petals. So that is give my rose is more like a highlight, more level. And the second one is I will give the dark color, intense pink, as before I show you, and all in the center area. Okay, so step is a little bit similar with my drawing. Yeah, first rose, and the second step is leaves. So leaves, if you remember, I used 4 level or 3. Yeah, I can't remember. So, but you can see I add one more level. Yeah, very dark green. Even I'm not drawing because I feel that place a little bit too empty. So that's why I add 2 leaves in the left side. Okay, so I feel it's a good balance for rose and my leaves. So I'm going to do the envelope. Same before, my envelope still have a 3 level, I think. Yeah, so and a little bit dark color, it's between the two paper. Like some place they have overlapping another one, and some place they have gap. So that should be is a shade place and the bottom. And I like to leave some white space for them in the middle area, if you can see. Yeah, so that is let me feel more like brown paper. And last step, I will use my pencil, color pencil, and follow the direction to make some texture. Look like more paper feelings. Okay, I'm finished and drawing the little heart for yours. Thank you for your watching and hope you like it. We will see you next time. Bye.